Hey folks, Rich here, we're back straight away. We've unboxed. I just didn't want to make the unboxing video last absolutely forever. So yeah, here we are back with this little sparkly fella. Do a few little tony tones, I think. Back of it. So, Harley Benton Tube15 amp, clean-ish. Clean as it gets. So, let's have a little go on the tone pot. Not important to some people, it is to me. All the way off. This is on the neck pickup, which is a Seymour Duncan Vintage P90. It's a little bit high. I think it needs lowering a bit. But anyway, about a third of the way up. Graduates pretty well. The actual knob itself is fairly stiff when you first get it going, and it loosens off towards the top. It's a I think the actual pot, the post it's sat on, isn't completely straight. Marginal, but you can feel it. So anyway, let's look back to the top, and then the volume. Up a little bit. It graduates well, and that particular pot is fine. So that's the neck pickup. I'm using a thin pick as well, which, as you know, does that make it sound a bit brighter than a second position. Just these two together. I don't know which way around. Series or parallel, don't know. And then position 3, which is these two again. Sounded like a humbucker. Ring, 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 ring. And then the bridge. The switch on this one, just a perception thing, I'm just comparing it to my ML3 Pro Traditional, feels a touch flimsier. Turn the volume down a little bit. I'll put overdrive it on. But let's have a bit less overdrive. polish. Satin finish, 9.5 inch radius. Not too thick, this feels more like Squire Classic 5 kind of thick. Rolled edges are nice, but you know what? On every single Pro series, they're nowhere near as rolled as a standard series. They're made in a different factory and they clearly have different capabilities, which is a shame really. I'm not saying it's bad, it's far from bad, it's still nice. But yeah. Anyway, that's a bit of an idea. Let me know what you think. Got a nice thin body as well, nice and light. Yes. Don't put any marks on it just in case I don't keep it, Richard. But first impressions are extremely good. Let me know what you think, please.